April 18, 2026, around 5:31 p.m., Atlanta police officers responded to 1003 Ralph David Abernathy Boulevard in reference to a dispute. Upon arrival, officers observed the driver, identified as 43-year-old Donnie Harbor of a white Ford pickup truck, who was involved in the dispute, attempting to flee the scene. Harbor refused to stop after officers activated their emergency lights and sirens. The suspect vehicle drove recklessly through a parking lot and fled north on Lawton Avenue. Harbor continued westbound on Westview Avenue, disregarding traffic signals and brake-checking officers in an attempt to cause a collision. My educated guess is that recklessly evading police is probably not the best decision to make.
Radio. 3496 radio.
High-speed police chases are dangerous because they combine extreme speed, stress, split-second decisions, and unpredictable driving, often in areas filled with innocent drivers, pedestrians, intersections, and traffic. The U.S. sees an estimated 68,000 police pursuits every year. That is a huge problem.
Traffic stop, Lawton coming up to Oak. Vehicles not stopping. Copy, we want to have ag assault charges radio. Stand by 72P.
Hey, somebody find out back at the church and call that all morning, the library is hurt.
Sergeant Starks, I'm gonna pit it as soon as I can.
Is this an active pursuit?
A firm, Georgia Tag, Charles Mary Victor 4911. Turning on MLK, turning on the Anderson, probably going toward 20. Going toward 20, stand by. Speed's 94 miles an hour. I got a Fulton County PD unit with me. Coming up to 285, crossing over all the way to the left. Going to take 285 southbound. Speed's 95. Crossing back over 20 west.
Okay, I got your body cam on, so I'll see your body cam on. Okay, radio.
Hey, just brake check me, hit the right side of my patrol vehicle.
I advise Douglas, right? He's coming hard. Vehicle on this truck.
Unfortunately, for the fleeing suspect, it is very hard to outrun the law. They have every resource at their disposal, making escape nearly impossible. Technology makes escaping harder. Even if someone escapes the actual chase, police often still have license plates, helicopter, or drone footage, traffic cameras, GPS tagging systems, witnesses, vehicle, owner information, body cam, and surveillance evidence.
Hey, Officer 3 with his lead. I'm 2. Full PD 3. 016, I copy. Ace is the lead. Easy highway, 100 miles an hour, 20 west. Say no forfeit. I think Ace is now the lead. J3, no, I'm coming with some speed. Alright, still 20 west. Speed 95 miles an hour. Clear road. Setting up for another bit.
Hold on, pedestrian on the right, pedestrian on the right.
Yeah, wait till it gets past the next truck. Setting up for a pit. Send it, drink, send it.
The suspect was charged with aggravated assault and possession of a scale used for narcotics distribution.